Hey guys, I'm John. This is Hops and Brews. We have another product review for you today. Like I said, we have a product review for you today. Today we are going to re-review glitter beer. I called up my friends up at Bigfoot Brewing up in Portland. They told me how they do their glitter beer. So I went on the old interwebs, got onto Amazon Prime, had it shipped to me. But first we're going to need a beer. And the beer that we're going to be trying is Revision's Blonde Envy. This beer comes in at 5.5 ABV, 20 IBUs. It gets an average rating of 3.64 on Untapped. This beer is described as crisp, clean, refreshing. Blonde Envy is a golden colored ale brewed in the Silver State, lightly hopped with a slightly malt sweetness. This ale approaches lager territory in the characters, and it's all good. Alright, let's see what this beer tastes like unaltered. Very light in the aroma, light malt to it, but still slightly sweet. Very clean, very crisp, very refreshing. Slight note of honey toward the end. Very nice, very clean, very refreshing. Great clarity, I can see right through it with no problem. Alright, so now for the glitter beer aspect, I was told that what they do is not actually use edible glitter, but a food grade dye that has a sheen to it. So, went on Amazon, picked some up. It's only about $4.99, really cheap price. It comes in a variety of colors. I add 4 to 5 drops per pint. And then to stir it up. Now, that is one cool looking drink. Let's see if this affects the taste or the aroma at all. Still gets the same aroma. It's really nice. Really pretty. Clarity's pretty much gone. I'm not really feeling any textures in my mouth. I do taste a little hint of flavor change at the back end, but it could also be because this beer is going flat. I mean, you're constantly wanting to stir this thing up, but then that makes the beer go flat. It's a conflict of interest. So, some final thoughts on this new way I found to do glitter beer, or as I would probably call it, more sheen beer. It has more of that soapy, silky look you get. You don't have to get the glitter version to get that look to it. The sheen in this just gives it that little bit of glitter sparkle effect. You can get the non-sparkle version and still have that soapy look to it. This product's actually pretty cool. I've been using it throughout the week on all different beverages, from water, coffee, soda, cocktails, beer. You can actually check me out using this on my friend's show with Jeff, Craft Computing. But as far as affecting the beer, I actually didn't really see it affect the beer too much. I had to stir it up a lot, so the beer did go flat. I attributed most of those flavors to going flat. As far as this beer is concerned, actually I think that's the most impressive thing. This aroma of this beer is fantastic. If you are a home brewer and if you've ever smelled liquid malt coming out of those bins at a homebrew supply store, a light malt, this beer smells exactly like that. Just boiling malt. It's sweet, it's fantastic, it's intoxicating. It's got this sweetness to it. I want to go buy more of this beer. It's so good. I might even put some more of this in there just to impress some people. The presentation, that's a lot. And if this doesn't affect the taste of your beer, it's actually not too bad. I'm John. This is Hops and Brews. Thanks for joining. Huh. Glitter beer. Who would have thought? The glass actually still shines and shimmers after you drink the beer. That's actually pretty cool. I wonder if my pee is gonna have glitter in it now.